Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you some simple glossy lip combos. So if you're interested in seeing how I'll be doing these lip combos, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click on the like button and continue to watch the video. So let's get into it. So first thing, I always like to moisturize with the Vaseline lip therapy before I go in with my lipstick, especially when I'm going for a glossy lip, and that's what I'll be doing. This is the Vaseline lip therapy I'll be using to moisturize my lips. For the first glossy lip combo, I'll be using this bold lip liner. It's a retractable lip liner. You line the lower part of the lips. Now you make like a V shape here. Always open your mouth and fill in these corners. Now you try to fill in the lips a little bit. Yes, can you see that? We are done outlining. I'm going to go in with this lipstick. This is the DNM lipstick in number 11. You blend your lips. You blend it as if you are pronouncing the word mama. Looking cute, right? I'm not yet done. Yes, I'm going to go in with the 7 Girl Concealer in color 1. Yes, don't ask me why. I just want to give it a little bit of tint. I know it's gonna look cute, so don't question me because it's gonna be cute. So if you want to have that snatch glossy lip, do what I'm doing, okay? Okay, my loves. So I'm going to go in with the concealer, just a little bit of it at the center of my lips. Now I'm going to go in with this Kiki Clear gloss to make it glossy. I applied it at the back of my hand and I'm using this brush to apply the lip gloss on my lips. I'm using the foundation, like my foundation shade, to clean the edges. This is the first lip combo. So for the second nude lip combo, I will go in with my Vaseline lip therapy. Now I'll be using another bold lip liner, and this one is brown. I'm going to line the lips just as I did with the first one. Now I'll be going in with this shade. This is the LA Colors Velvet Plush Creamy Lip Color. This is how it looks like. So I'm going to go in with the same 7 Girl concealer in the shade number 1. Just as I did with the first lip combo, I'm going to give it just a touch at the center. Now I'm going to go in with my clear gloss. So here's my lip gloss at the back of my hand. Okay, I'm done with the second lip combo. I'm going to move ahead with the third, which is going to be the last lip combo for this video. So I'm going to wipe this off and I'll show you the last Nude lip combo. So right now I'm moisturizing my lips with the same Vaseline lip therapy. Now I'll be using this pencil to line my lips. Now I'm going to go in with this lipstick from Maybelline. This is in the shade 55 Driver. Now I'll be going in with this clear gloss. Okay loves, which of the lip combo do you think is your favorite among the 3? Let me know in the comment section down below. I hope with the help of this video you'll be able to recreate beautiful popping glossy lip combo. Any of your choice, you can switch the lipstick to any lipstick that you like or any shade you like and you will still get it. Yeah loves, that'll be all for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Drop down your comments in the comment section below which of the lip combo is your favorite. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching and I will see you all in my next video.